Good day everyone, I'm John Christopher Carlos. Now I'm going to discuss remainder theorem. Remainder. We all know that remainder is the excess value of the quotient of the given, wherein dividend is divided by there would be a quotient and a remainder. For example, the value here would be pi and 2. This would be, the quotient would be 2 plus 2 out 1 half. So there. So now, before that, I'm going to give a variable wherein this would be emphasize the dividend. It would be, let's assume that dividend is the P of x. Then x minus a would be the divisor. Q of x as the quotient. And R is the remainder. Now, when P of x as dividend is divided by x minus a, which is the divisor, it will be equal to P of a. But to see that this is not just happened by chance, by using P of x, let's have P of x divided by x minus a, which is the divisor, is equal to U of x, the quotient, plus the remainder over the x minus a. So, now, to remove the denominator of each value, we need to multiply both sides by x minus a. So, this would be 1, then 1. The answer would be P of x is equal to U of x minus a plus r there. So, now, in general, if Q of x is the quotient, in general, if Q of x is the quotient and r is the remainder, when polynomial P of x is divided by x minus a, then we need to prove that P of a is equal to remainder. But how? Let's try this equation. So, P of x is equal to Q of x minus a plus r. So, here, this value, let's assume that x minus a is equal to 0. Now, to get the value of x, let's use x is equal to a, because when we transpose this value, this would be x minus a. So now, let's transpose all value of x as a. Now, P of a is equal to U of a times a minus a plus remainder. So, P of a is, this would be 0 times U of a plus remainder. Now, P of a is equal to remainder. So, now, we just proved that P of a is equal to the remainder. Remainder theorem said that P of a is equal to the remainder when P of x divided by x minus a.